कदम हम लेके बढ़े, एक लक्ष्य नया हम लेके चले, कूड़ा मुक्त यह देश बने, फिर से इरादा चलो करें।
हमें स्वच्छ नया कल करना है, कचरे पर ध्यान तो देना है।
सूखा गीला हो अलग अलग जिम्मेदार सभी को रहना है,
जिम्मेदार सभी को रहना है।
सब साथ जुड़े सब साथ चले, अब ठान लिया चलो करके रहे।
எனது நாட்டின் ஒரு நல்ல குடிமகனாகவும் பூமி கிரகத்தின் பொறுப்புள்ள குடிமகனாகவும்
जिम्मेवार निवासी के रूप में मैं निम्नलिखित कार्य करके
as a good citizen of my country and a responsible resident of the planet Earth, I pledge to refuse, reduce, recycle, reuse, repair, regift, recover and rethink plastic to the best of my efforts by doing the following. I shall say no to single-use plastic items like straw, carry bags, cutlery, etc. I shall always carry a cloth bag, reusable cutlery, straw and cup with me. Not purchase fruits and vegetables wrapped in plastic films. Sensitize peers, friends and family about minimizing single-use plastic. Ask restaurants not to send plastic cutlery when ordering food online. Purchase usually what can be recycled, reused, refilled and repaired. Not accept gifts, buckets wrapped in plastics. Avoid sachets as much as possible. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Respected functional directors, Chief Vigilance Officer, DIG CASF, Executive Directors, CGMs, GMs, Senior Executives, my colleagues, employees, CASF personnel, unions and associations, and my dear children and representative from press and media. At the outset, I appreciate all who assembled here for this Swachhata call given by the Union Government of India from 10 o'clock onwards for a 1 hour period as a part of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. As you know, Swachhata Hi Seva campaign has been conducting from 15 September to 2nd October this year with a theme of garbage free India. For undertaking Shramdan activities aiming to generate a Jan Andolan, that is people movement, to give more impetus to Swachh Bharata Mission SBM of our country, to disseminate the importance of Sampurna Swachh village, that is complete cleanliness village, to reinforce the concept sanitation as everyone's responsibility. As you know, India is having all the potentials to become number one country in the world. It has good talent, it has good resources, it has good systems, good traditions, good discipline, good determination, everything is there. But there is one difference is there. If we compare our country with the developed countries, the only difference which you find is the cleanliness. This was understood by Jatipita Mahatma Gandhi ji way back in 1920s itself. From then onwards, he was giving a lot of importance to cleanliness. He was telling cleanliness is next to godliness. That was the understanding by Jatipita at that point of time. And you can understand the importance given by Mahatma Gandhi ji to cleanliness, that at one point of time he even told cleanliness is more important than independence, for which he is fighting, he is sacrificing his life. Even he is considering the cleanliness as more important than independence. That shows the importance of the cleanliness for India. So we are aspiring to be a developed country by 2047. Honorable Prime Minister started the Swachhata Abhiyan on October 2nd, 2014. After that, many activities are in place every year to improve the cleanliness conditions of the various locations, various areas across the country. Under this mission, number of activities were undertaken, like the Swachhata Pakhwada. NLC India Limited has shown its strength during Swachhata Pakhwada and was awarded as number one public sector under Ministry of Coal to execute all the activities related to Swachhata Pakhwada. And after seeing today's participation, the enthusiasm and interest shown by various sections of NLC India family, including the small children, I think nobody can stop us. We will become again number one in all the Swachhata Pakhwada activities and Swachhata activities. In continuation to the cleanliness drive in Swachhata Pakhwada, as part of ongoing Swachhata Hi Seva program, we have taken special attention in collecting plastic waste. Today we have organized a mass cleaning drive at almost 59 locations in Neyveli Township and other peripheral villages, covering educational institutions, religious places, public places, including railway station, bus stand, by involving senior officers, employees, contract workmen, representative of associations, unions, welfare associations, CSF members, and Neyveli public, totaling more than 3,000 persons, including 500 students from Neyveli schools. This is really a commendable initiative. Let us continue this to ensure that the directives, instructions, and the campaign objectives given by the union government, let us follow that. I am glad to note that even NSS cadets of NLCAL Higher Secondary School, Mandarakuppam, have undertaken cleaning activities and collected plastic items from Tamil Nadu government, Fair Place shop premises, and government high schools at Vepankurchi village. They conducted awareness campaign also. On this occasion, I wish to remind that we must nurture the habit of good hygiene and make it an integral part of our life. As you may recall, the communication series released, the CMD communication series released from my office, spelled out the importance of cleanliness at workplace and public places. And recent communication series released on 23rd of this month is focusing more on plastic waste management and plastic ban across our company. I am sure that our concentrated efforts shall bring desired results to the objective. Generally, our township is popular across the country for its maintenance, for its good sanitation, good civic amenities. However, there is scope for improvement. I appreciate the efforts of town administration department and all involved in the maintaining the township, but there is a lot of scope for improvement. Let us improve these activities so that our township becomes #1 township in the country in terms of the sanitation and cleanliness. The present renovation work that is being undertaken at Block 28 Super Bazaar is a welcome sign. I expect that Town Administration Department shall take up similar works in other areas also in a phased manner. On this occasion, let us resolve that we shall make all possible measures at appropriate time to keep the cleanliness across the country to support the Swachh Bharat mission of our nation. Once again, I appreciate all the Neyveli Swachhata warriors for their service mind and earnest efforts in taking forward this noble mission. Thank you. Nandri, Vanakkam.
एक और कदम हम लेके बढ़े, एक लक्ष्य नया हम लेके चले, कूड़ा मुक्त यह देश बने, फिर से इरादा चलो करें।
हमें स्वच्छ नया कल करना है, कचरे पर ध्यान तो देना है।
सूखा गीला हो अलग अलग जिम्मेदार सभी को रहना है,
जिम्मेदार सभी को रहना है।
सब साथ जुड़े सब साथ चले, अब ठान लिया चलो करके रहे। एक और कदम हम लेके बढ़े, एक लक्ष्य नया हम लेके चले, कूड़ा मुक्त यह देश बने, फिर से इरादा चलो करे। कचरे का रूप बदलना है, उसे नए रंग में ढलना है।
हर डगर साफ आंगन उज्जवल, पूरे देश को निर्मल करना है।
शुरुआत हम ही से होनी है, आरंभ हम ही से होना है। हम सबको मिलकर साथ साथ एक परिवर्तन को बोना है। एक और कदम हम लेके बढ़े, एक लक्ष्य नया हम लेके चले, कूड़ा मुक्त यह देश बने, फिर से इरादा चलो करे। हर गांव स्वच्छ स्वच्छ, हर शहर स्वच्छ स्वच्छ, हर सफर स्वच्छ स्वच्छ, हर पहर स्वच्छ। चलो संग संग सूरज बन के जले, एक और कदम हम लेके बढ़े, एक लक्ष्य नया हम लेके चले, कूड़ा मुक्त यह देश बने, फिर से इरादा चलो करे।